Hey guys, it's Tablescape Tuesday, so go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink, and get yourself a snack too. Guys, there's going to be a playlist because it is a collaboration, and you don't want to miss out on anything. You don't want to have to get up to get anything. So go ahead, do those things, and come back and relax.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your lovely host here, GGFaison, and once again, guys, I welcome you into my home. Now today, I am going to style out this lovely coffee table here in my living room. I shared a video yesterday where I did a console table in my living room, so I'm just sprinkling a little spring and a little bit of Easter throughout the house. So I hope you will enjoy this video. I hope it will inspire you to sprinkle a little spring. And it doesn't always have to be all of the pastel colors and things of that nature. You can bring in some nice glam pieces, and you can add a little touches of spring or Easter to it. And once you're ready to take away your Easter, you still have a nice space to look at. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I have my pieces over here on the side. But first, I'm going to give this a nice little wipe down. The glass has been cleaned, but dust is just dust. It's everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and just wipe this down. Now, guys, this is Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor and Courtney over at Amethyst Adventures. Their channel links will be in my description box, where they host this collaboration every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sometimes they may have a guest. Today it's freestyle, so there is no guest. Usually if there is a guest, then it's whatever theme that the guest would like to go with. So again, it's Tablescape Tuesday, and I'm just going to I'm going to leave this little leaf here. This is a piece that I picked up years ago. I liked it, and so I just have it here underneath my coffee table. And this is where it just resides, right underneath here. So I'm just going to place right back there. And then we'll start decorating. So guys, if you're new to my channel, I take this time to say I welcome you, and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you like home decor, shopping hauls, DIYs, just a little bit of this and that, then you're at the right place. This is what I love to do. I love to share those things with you that I love to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get this going. And if you're new, you want to be a part of this family, it's really easy, guys. Just hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell twice, so you are always notified of any and all up-and-coming videos that are created on this channel. I want you to feel welcomed. I want you to feel loved. I hope to inspire you and give you some ideas as to things you can do around your home. So with all of that being said, make sure you give us all a thumbs up when you go visit. Hit the subscribe button if you want to be a part of the family, and leave us all a comment. If you leave a comment, that way we'll know that you actually visited our channel, and we love reading your comments. And I say we because I feel like we all feel the same about it. We're creating content, we're sharing, and we're hopefully giving ideas and inspiration. Now, this is one of those little books, and I have some of my little things that I like to keep here in the box. So some of my little keepsakes here. Nothing of any value to the public, but value to me. There are no jewels or diamonds or anything like that. So it's just a book with some little keepsake pieces I like to keep in there. And it says, Dreaming of Paris. So I'm going to build off of this box. I'm going to go in with my little mosaic vase. And once I do my room tour, you will see that all of this works together. Now these little gemmed picks here are some that I purchased from the Z Gallery or maybe Pure One. Don't remember which one, but I've had these for a very long time, and I'm almost leaning towards Pure One. It's where I got these from, I think. But I like to just bend these, and they bring such an elegance to the space. So I just like to add them into this. And you can actually stretch them out and have it for a longer, for a taller base, or just as I'm doing here, bend the ends and insert. And then you can kind of like pull them and spray them however you would like for them to flow. I think I had them at one time looking as if it was a tree. You always get one that just don't want to do right. This is one of the longer ones, I think. And they create such a mess. So I have these little crystal glass candle holders, and these are some that I picked up from the home goods store. So I'm going to place these here. And these help to provide that glamorous, elegant look. Next, I want to add this little mercury glass vase, as I have included quite a few pieces of mercury glass into the space. I'm going to add in some greenery here. And these little eggs that looks like a topiary, I purchased these from Michael's. So I'm just going to place one inside there. I'm going to squeeze the other one right about here. And over here with my beautiful peacock, and just place it here on the side. So I added my little eggs here in the little topiary for the Easter vibe, and then everything else presents to you the glamorous side. And I'm gonna bring you guys in for a closer look, so hold on. I thought my peacock needed just a little something in the belly area, so I found these beautiful, very elegant eggs. They're actually a candle ring, so I'm squeezing them together, and I'm going to insert 2 of them within the belly of the peacock. So keep watching, guys. Here I'm adding these little tea light candles for the ambiance, and they will go on the back in the little tea light candle holders. So here, guys, I'm going to go ahead and bring you in for that closer look. And this is my coffee table in my living room, where I have these gem picks nestled inside this mosaic vase that rests directly on top of this faux book here. And these faux books you can find at probably any
home goods store, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I think this particular one came from Michael's, and Michael's generally put theirs at around 50% off is what they generally have them at. And so this book has been on this table for years, collecting some of my little nice articles. So I'm going to bring you in. As you saw that I took these candle rings and just squeezed them together and placed them inside the swan here. This is an absolute beautiful piece that I purchased, I think, from maybe Wayfair. But isn't this gorgeous? And I just placed the little tea light candles inside of the little cup holders as it comes, you know, with the space for the cup holders or tea light candle holders is what you would refer. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed my coffee table styling, my glam elegant coffee table styling for the spring. If you like what you've seen, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos that are created on this channel. I chose not to include any floors on this space here, as when I share with you, hopefully, my spring home tour, you will see why. I have quite a bit already. And as you can see, this coffee table is resting upon this gorgeous rug here. And these are pretty much the colors that I use this book to just pull from, those colors that are in the rug. And then everything else is just my little glam elegant pieces that I chose to use in this space.